So you might be in a situation where for some reason, whenever you go and take a photo on your iPhone, sometimes there can be like a random lines in it, random glitches on it, random things just popping into the photo itself. And it can be very, very annoying. I see this on Reddit all the time. Now, the very first thing I recommend doing is taking a very close look at the actual camera hardware that you have on your phone. I would recommend just seeing and making sure and just double checking if you can see any cracks or lines or anything like that in this camera. Now you can see for my camera right here, you can see there is a crack. Now that shouldn't theoretically hurt this particular photo's like iPhone camera performance, but if it does, you might just want to make sure if that's the issue. Because sometimes, if you're taking photos or videos and it's fine, but then you crack or drop your phone, then it starts having issues, it could be a hardware defect. Now, let's say you do that and that doesn't seem to be the problem. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that when you're taking a photo on your iPhone, you're not like moving your camera around too much. You're not going through and like having random like fingers or anything like that. Sometimes if you go and take a photo on your iPhone, right? Like just take a close look at this. Watch what happens. If I just start moving my phone, like my finger above this camera, sometimes it can give the impression that something is blocking it, when in reality it isn't. So you want to make sure that your iPhone camera isn't being blocked by your finger either, but also any cases or anything you have too. You want to make sure that your case doesn't go and impede in those photos. Sometimes people like randomly put stuff behind their camera as well, so that might be something you might want to just double check. Now, if those things aren't working, and if you can kind of guarantee it's not a hardware problem, what you can also do is try updating your phone. So make your way over to your settings application. You want to click into your general settings right here. You then want to click on software update, which is right here, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just software update your phone. So see if you can update it, and if you can, then I'd recommend just doing that and seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Really nice to see you in the next video.